Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda Turner and I am a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. Today I have a little something special announcement for you guys. I posted a home on my videos maybe about 2 or 3 months ago, and it was a home in Agua Escondida in Ixtlahuacan, which is across the mountain from Ajijic. And so many of you were interested in this house, but my buyer was on his way to purchasing it. It is not my listing, it is someone else's listing, but I had a buyer very interested in this home. We were about to close on it and he had a change of heart. He wanted a bigger property with much more land. He has 2 big Great Danes and they want a lot of space. So they did not go with this house. We closed on another house for them in Agua Escondida this last Monday. Today is Wednesday. We closed on Monday. A lot of you emailed me and asked me if this house was still available. At the time it was not, and so I told you all that it was not, but guess what? It's back on the market. So if you are interested in this house, you need to act fast. You can email me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com to ask me any questions you want to about it. I'll send you the MLS listing so that you can get the details. I've literally had 2 emails from people, one 3 days ago and one yesterday, asking about this house again. And one thing I want to tell you about the Agua Escondida Ixtlahuacan area is I truly predict that in the next 1 to 5 years, it's going to pop off over there, okay? So if you buy land there right now, which I just saw something on the archives where a plot of land sold for about $50 per square meter. And just to give you an idea, land in Ajijic is selling anywhere from $800 to $1,000 per square meter right now. So just over the mountain, you can get a property with mountain views. It's not as congested as Ajijic in the Chapala area. You're 15 minutes from the airport out there. You're half an hour away from Guadalajara, and you're about 15 minutes away from Ajijic, Chapala, this whole area, Lakeside. And I have a lot of people interested in that area lately. I've also heard of other agents who have a lot of buyers interested in that area as well. Things are selling quickly out there. So if you buy in Agua Escondida and Ixtlahuacan now, you're gonna thank yourself later. All right, let's go check this property out. Third and final home on our tour today is listed at $299,500 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 425 square meters or 4,575 square feet. The lot size is 1,226 square meters or 13,197 square feet. The HOA is 7,400 pesos annually, which comes to about, I would say, $450 per year. It comes partially furnished and it's located in Agua Escondida in Ixtlahuacan. And I'm sorry if this video is kind of funky where there's like random notes everywhere and if it's moving too fast and weird things are happening. I originally took this video for my buyer so that they could see the house, so I was trying to get detail, and so I just used it for this video. So anyway, enjoy. We're located in Ixtlahuacan, Agua Escondida, and I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. You'll see, look at all of this land around this property. All of it. Oh my God. It's like lush and green out there and wild. It's so nice. But this is where a lot of people are starting to move to because, you know, Ajijic's kind of turning more into like urban living, and it's getting a little bit congested. This right here is the town of Ixtlahuacan. So this is where your emergency services and everything will come from. Just real quick, I want to show you where this is in comparison to Ajijic. So here's the house right here. Here's the neighborhood where it is. And then you're going to take this highway. Sorry about that. You're going to take this highway down either into Chapala, or you're going to take it over this way into Ajijic. And so let's see how long it would take us to get from each of those places. It would take you 32 minutes to get to Ajijic, 26 minutes to get to the airport, which is not bad at all. I'm super down with a 26-minute drive to an international airport. And it would take you 1 hour, 9 minutes today, Friday at 3:30 to get to the Costco in Guadalajara. All right, guys, that's it for me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember that if you are looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, please contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments if you'd like to. And feel free to visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you can find a link to our cafe, our bed and breakfast, and the MLS. And I'm sorry that I didn't bring you several properties like I usually do in this video, but I needed to get this message out. So I will see you next week with a whole new set of properties. Bye.